I'm Brie Coelho. I'm an author, a chef, a horse mom, and yes, a hunter. But above all, I'm someone who believes the best way to truly connect with a culture is through its food. And that connection doesn't just happen in a kitchen or at a market. It begins in the wild. Here in South Africa, the relationship between food and the hunt runs deep.
That is an excellent shot. Reload.
It's woven into the very fabric of the culture. The skills, the respect for the animals, and the stories passed down. These are the roots of African cuisine. What are we making?
Since you hunted that springbok, tonight we will have a potjie, which is basically a stew that we make in a cast iron pot on the fire.
So join me as we uncover the flavors of South Africa together. One dish, one story, one unforgettable experience at a time. This is A Taste of Africa.